You have never seen a morning routine this chaotic. The alarm clock rang and the girl bolts upright. No snoozing, no hesitation. She sprints to the bathroom, yanks open the shower curtain, and does the fastest rinse imaginable. Towel on one. There is no time to waste. She squeezes toothpaste into her mouth, but before it even has time to form, she spits it out and move on, getting breath 3 seconds max. While walking across the room, she's already fixing her hair at the same time. Despite the rush, she is incredibly meticulous. Even running late, she refuses to skip her makeup. A touch of blush, a bold, seductive lipstick, sharp eyeliner, and of course, a layer of foundation. Perfection is non-negotiable. Finally finished, she dashes out the door only to freeze past breakfast. She runs back inside, shoves a few hurried bites into her mouth, and races out again. But those few lost seconds cost her. The first bus is already pulling away. Now she really has to run. After a full sprint and some serious determination, she managed to catch the bus victoriously, or so she thinks. The moment she stepped outboard, the bus has already arrived at her company stop. She pays the fare and rushes towards the office. Only 30 seconds left before work starts. She jumps into the elevator, and just as the door closes, her head falls outside. The elevator climbs all the way to the 14th floor before she realizes. With no choice, she rides it back down, grabs her hat, and sprints to her office like her life depends on it. With 1 second to spare, she collapses into her chair. She takes a deep breath, opens her door, and immediately starts digging around frantically. It looked like she is searching for important documents. She is not. She is looking for snacks and novel. Moment later, she is leaning back in her chair, elegantly munching and reading at the same time. Before she knows it, it's 5:30 p.m. The second the end of the day bell rings, she disappears, and in what feels like the next instant, she is at the mall trying on hats in an accessory store, one after another. But none of them are good enough. Finally, she chooses the limited edition summer hat. The store owner immediately makes a call to the factory to fulfill the special request. The factory responds with urgency, assigning their top designer to the task. The designer begins dramatically cutting strips of the fabric and placing them carefully on a hat mold. He even pulls out a telescope to check the positioning as if precision were a matter of life and death. Once satisfied, he cracks an egg and mixes it seamlessly with the fabric. Then he added a assortment of fruit and vegetable for design. For the final touch, he grabs a hammer and flattened the lid of a can onto the mold. And just like that, a perfect limited edition summer fruit hat is born. The girl tries it on. She is absolutely delighted. Sure, it looks slightly different from the picture, but she happily pays a high price for it anyway. And the moment she stepped out wearing that unique hat, it instantly draws attention.